So hello my dear student. So hope you are doing very well. So today we are going to learn day 8. Okay. Already we day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, 5, 6, 7 we completed. Okay. So the student who joined recently. Okay. If he not watch the day 1, day 2, day 3. So please go in the playlist and watch all video. Okay. So today we are going to start the day 8. Now in this way, this day we are learning the multiplication. Addition, subtraction already we completed. Now time to learn multiplication, and we are learning the different topic. Okay, on multiplication basic, different trick. So today we are going to multiplication base 100. I think in last class also we learned same thing. But today what we are going to see, three types of question: type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay. So on the basis of this base 100, we get the three types of question. Now can you tell me the difference between what is the type 1, type 2, type 3 differences? Okay, please check and tell me. So here what we are seeing now, in type 1, both number is more than 100. What we are seeing here, both number is more than 100. Understand? Now in type 2, what is this? Both number is less than 100 but is near to 100. Both number is what? Less than 100 but near to 100. And in type 3 what happens? One number is less than 100 and other number is more than 100. So we understand the three types of question. So today we practice these three types of questions. And once we learn these three types, our level 1 book is going to complete. Okay. Many students are thinking, sir, today is Saturday, sir. Why today class? Yeah, I know. Today generally no class. Our class is Monday to Friday only. But actually what happens, next month on 12th our school is going to reopen. So before that we try to complete all these things. Okay, because this is skill only for summer vacation. So before summer vacation we have to complete this. Understand? So now come and try to understand type 1, type 2, type 3. So here already we learned, this is our yesterday we discussed. Sir, here one number is how many more than 100? 3. So here we write plus 3. This is plus 3. And this is how many more than? Sir, 8. So here we write plus 8. That's okay. Now what we see here? First we have to multiply. Okay. So 8 times 3. So what we get here? 8 times 3 is 24. So here we write 24. Okay. Now here either we add this one or either we add this one, we get the same answer. Okay, please no need to confuse here. Some student thinks, sir, we add this one, we add this one. No, anyone, either 103 plus 8 or 108 plus 3, we get the same answer. So here what we write here, 108 plus 3, 111. So this is our answer. Okay, so this already we learned in our yesterday class. Now we are coming to type 2. What we are learning to here? Type 2. Here, this number is how many less than 100? 100 and this is 97. Means negative 3. What we write here? Negative 3. And this number is how many less than 100? So negative 2. So here we write negative 3 and negative 2. Hope you understand this one? Good. Now, one thing we learn in our integer chapter. Negative into negative, what it come? Positive. Already we learn in grade 4, 5, 6 we learn same thing. Now positive into positive, what we get here? Positive only. Now negative into positive, what we get here? Negative. Now positive into negative, so we get here negative. This concept already we learn. So right here negative 3 into negative 2, what we get here? Yes, correct? Tell me. Negative 6. Okay, sorry, positive 6, because negative into negative become positive. Correct? Very good. Now either 97 minus 2 or 98 minus 3, we get the same answer. Now tell me 97 minus 2, so what we get here? 95. Or 98 minus 3, what we get here? 95 only. So we write here 95. But here one thing missing. Here base 100. So we require the 2 place. But here 3 times 2 is 6. So for making this 2 place, what we have to add? 0. What we have to add here? 0. Understand? So our answer is 9506. What is our answer? 9506. Now we are going to next question. Okay, type 1, type 2 we completed. Now type 3. Okay, so here what we see, sir, one number is less than 100 and one number is more than 100. So this is how many less? Sir, negative 2. So here we write negative 2. And this is how many more? Plus 2. So here we write plus 2. Okay. So here it's important to write the negative and positive. Okay. That's the benefit. So what is this? So now here try to understand. When you see 98 minus 3 and 102 plus 2. Okay. Means 100 that is plus 2 and 98 that is minus 2. So here we multiply negative 2 into 2. So it's very simple, sir. First we say 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is what? 4. So here we write 4. Understand? Now tell me negative into positive. Our integer rule. Here I say negative into positive. This number. So what we get final answer? Negative only. What we get here? Negative answer. Please be concentrated. This is the important question. Now either we add 98 plus 2 or 100 minus 2. We get the same answer. So 98 plus 2 what we get here? Sir, 100. And 102 minus 2. So we get the 100 only. Now your question comes, sir. This is 100 and this is negative 2. Now what we will do? Before that we are writing same to same. But here our main concept. Okay. So here we write 100 and here how many 0? 2 0. So we write here 2 0 from our side. Okay. Before that we are not adding this 2 0. Why? Because these are in the addition. This is plus, this is plus. So we are adding this number. But here what happens? This in the negative. So from which number we have to do subtraction? So for that we add here 2 0. Why? Because this is near to 100. So in 100 how many 0? Just tell me. Adya, please tell me how many 0? Yes, Adya. Very good. 2 0. So here we write negative 4. Now already we know subtraction. There are the many method for doing. So best method is what? Dot method. Means friendship. So it 0 minus 4. Is this possible? No, sir. So what we will do? 0 minus 4. Not possible. So 4 friend is what? 6. So 0 plus 6, that is 6. Now here 1 dot come. Now here 0 minus 1. Is this possible? No. So who is the friend of 1? 9. So we write here 9. Again this dot come here. Again 9, 9. So this is our correct answer. Okay. So see, type 1, type 2, it's okay, no problem. But type 3, we have to do subtraction. So that's why we have to add 2 0. Understand? So please write down, and now we learn, practice few more questions. Okay. So please write down. Yeah. So now already we practiced the 3 questions. Now all these are the question of which type? You tell me. Actually multiplication base 100. So in this we learn the 3 types. How many times type we learn? 3 types. So first type what happens? Both number is above 100, like 108, 110, 111, 105, whatever it is. Okay. In type 2 what we learn? Both number is less than 100 but near to 100. What I am saying? Less than 100 but near to 100. And third type is what? One number is less than 100 and one number is more than 100. Okay. So now tell me, this all 3 example of which type? Type 1, type 2, type 3. Tell me. Yes, these all are example of type 2. So now we start going to do type 2. So first question here, 99. So here 99. So this is how many less than 100? Sir, 1. So here we write negative 1. What we write here? Negative 1. Now 95. So this is how many less? Negative 5. Easy or hard? Very simple. Now negative 1 into negative 5. Okay. So first we learn 5 times 1. Means 5 into 1. It's very simple, sir. When any number multiply with 1, what we get answer? 1. Understand? Now like Ananya into 1. What we get answer? Ananya only. So here 5 into 1. What we get answer here? 5. Very good. Now here either we have to subtract this one or this one. We get the same answer. Any one. Again I am saying no need to do F2. Like 99 minus 5, what we get here? 94. And 95 minus 1, 94. So here we write 94. Now tell me, is this correct? Tell me. Many students thinking that this is correct. Many of you are thinking that this is wrong. But actually this is wrong. Now tell me reason, what is the wrong? Yes sir, you are thinking very correctly, because in 100 we require the 2 place. So here only 1 place. So we have to keep 1 0. Already I told, when base 100, when single digit come, so we have to keep 1 0 ahead. Understand or not? Yes. So your answer is what? 9405. Okay. Now second type. Hope you are understanding this very well. Na? Second type, what happens? 93 into 99. So here how many less? Sir, 7. Yeah. So here minus 7, because see, 93 plus 700. Now here 99. So this is how many less than 100? 1. So we write here minus 1. Now we have to multiply 7 times 1. So 7 times 1 is what? So 7 only. And negative into negative, that is positive, already we learn here. Now either you do 93 minus 1 or 97 minus 2. Any one. We get the same answer. 93 minus 1, 92. And 99 minus 7, 92 only. So here we write 92. Again my question, is this correct? No sir. Why? What is the mistake here? Sir, because here base 100 we require the 2 place. But here only 1 place. So we keep here 0. Now it's going to correct. Hope you understand this one. Now third one. Okay. Here 84. Actually I take this the big number. I take it 94 to understand better. Okay. So this is how many less than 100? Just tell me. 6. After it we do 84 also. Now here this is negative 1. What we write here? Negative 1. Now we multiply 6 into 1. So that is 6 only. That's very correct. Now negative into negative, positive, integer rule. Now here either do this one or this one, we get the same answer. So 91 minus 1, so 93. And again we have to put here 1 0. Hope you all understand. Now one question comes, sir, 84 into 93. What we write here? 84 into 93. That's also very easy. We can do very easily. Like see, 84 into 93. Just see. Before learning this method, how can we do? So we write here 84, we write here 99, and then multiply, add this, and taking lots of time. But we are not going to do like this. So what we are going to do? See here, 84. This is how many less than 100? So negative 16. Correct? This is negative 16, and here negative 1. Simple. Why negative 1? Because this is 1 less than 100. Now we multiply negative 16 to 1. What we get here? So very easy. We get only 16. Already 2 digit. Here no need to add 0. When we add 0, then there is the 1 digit. Now 2 digit. Either 99 minus 16 or 84 minus 1. Answer will be same. So that is easy now. So we write here 83. This is our answer. In 5 seconds only. So please write down. Okay. So already we practiced type 2. Now tell me, this is example of which type? Type 1, type 2, type 3, sir. This is example of type 3. Okay. So what in this type 3, sir? One number is what? Less than 100, and one number is more than 100. Here see, more than 100, less than 100, more than 100, less than 100. So we do the type 3. Okay. Everyone concentrate. Enjoy this class. Okay. So this time we start from here. Every time we start from here. This time we start from here. Okay. So first tell me 112. So this is how many more than 100? Sir, plus 12. Very good. Now this is how many less than? Minus 4. Means this is 4 less and this is 12 plus. That's be right. Now we multiply here. First step. 12 times 4. Already we learned the 12 table now. Till 14 table we have to complete. In this Sunday class I am going to ask the 14 table. Okay. So now here 12 times 4. So 12 times 4 is going to 48. So we write here 48. Understand? It's very important. Now here, positive into negative. One number is positive, one number is negative. What is our final answer? Sir, it's negative only. So here we write negative. It's important. Please listen carefully. Now, either you do -4 or +4. We get the same answer. Exactly what we will get the same answer. So 96 plus 12 and 112 minus. Okay. So we get here 108. Till now, no any problem. Okay. But here question comes, sir, negative 48. So in which we have to add negative 48? From where we have to do subtraction? So here we write 108 and 20. Why 20? Because base is 100. Means generally what we are doing, here we are multiplying with 100. Okay. In your book, when you do the homework, you see like that. So no need to confuse. And here negative 48. So we write here 48 and then we do subtract and tell answer. Now here, who is the friend of 8? 2. So we write 2. Who is the friend of 5? We are doing very fast because already you learn. I not want to explain. So here 5 and 7, 8 minus 1, that is 7. And this is 10 only. So our answer is what? 10752. What is our answer? 10752. Understand now? Here only one thing we have to understand. Here we have to multiply with 100, then 20 will come, and then we have to do subtraction. Only one step more. Now in this question, here what we have to do? +1, because this is 1 extra. And here this is negative 13 because this is less than 13 compared to 100. Now here 13 into 1. Same like that. Ananya into 1 means any number we multiply with 1, we get the 1 only. Sorry, we get the same number. So here we write 30. Now negative into positive. Negative into positive, that become negative. So you put negative sign. Now either you do like this. 101 minus 13 or either 87 plus 1. So I think this is easy to add now. Both time we get the same answer. So here we write 88. Now, when negative come, so we have to do multiplication with 100. If you are not doing, if you write like 8800, we get the same. Now 30. Simple. I am going to do fast. Who is the friend of 3? 7 only. So we write here 7. Who is the friend of 2? 8. So we write here 8. And here 1. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. And here 8. That's very simple now. Now last question. Okay, please. Here 97. So in 100, how many less than? So negative 3. So we write here negative 3. And this is positive 2. Correct? Now 3 times 2. So that is 6 only. And one number is negative, other number is positive. So what we get here? Negative only. So we write here negative. Either you add 97 plus 2 or 102 minus 3. We get the same. That is 99. Now 99 and we keep here 20 because here we are multiplying with 100. Now 6 minus. So is the friend of 6? 4, 1. Now one friend is 9, again 8 and here 9. So answer is what? 9894. Understand? So we practice this. So now already we understand all these things. Now time to discuss about the homework. Okay, so I think everyone completed till page number 32. Yes. Yesterday we learned till page number 32. Right now we are going to do okay. So here please write down homework page number 33 to 38. Okay, so this is your homework. Today we have to complete this one. Okay, and we have to complete table 15 and 16. Okay, which table? Table 15 and 16 we have to complete. So in this way we are going to complete our which level 1. Okay, hope this is the last page. Now test 1, test 2 that we try to complete on Sunday, and in this way level 1 bye. So total how many level we have to discuss? 4 level. So first level complete. So please is tomorrow everyone work hard and complete all this page, and Sunday we meet in our live session and offline class. Okay, for offline student we meet in the offline class, and for online student who are outside the Hyderabad we meet in the online class. Okay, so we prepare, practice this home, we meet in the next class. Okay, please take care.